Hey, it's JP. You'll notice we're in the studio today because it's a great day to do something different. Back in 2014, I was a student pilot working on my private pilot certificate. I was based at Griffiths International Airport in Rome, New York, and I would put a GoPro over my shoulder in the airplane during my solo flights and during my lessons with my instructor. Not only did this give me the opportunity to assess my progress, it also captured some pretty nifty footage. There were a bunch of pilots putting their videos on YouTube at the time, and while that channel is long gone, I still have plenty of the footage, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to take a look at a collage I put together in late summer of 2014. I did get my private pilot certificate in December of that year, and I've been flying in various parts of the country since. Whether it's been upstate New York, in Chicago, or now in Tucson, flying is always my passion. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I do.
Hamilton traffic, Cherokee 7089 Romeo taking 174 departure, Hamilton. Come on, baby. Be friendly to daddy. That'll work. Hamilton traffic, Cherokee 7089 Romeo departing to the northeast, Hamilton.
And your aim point's like the end of this road?
Yeah, so I'm going right in here. I'm still maintaining my glide of 85. Now if I had time, I would actually ask you to pop the door, and I would squawk
Good.
7700.
Alright, so full power, positive rate of climb.
Yeah.
To recover from this, because I think you would easily make this.
Yeah, this video is not going on any public site.
Probably a good idea, especially the first one. Galaxy bloopers.
There's a damn bird again. He wants to mate with a Cherokee in the worst way.
There he is.
East 5014, contact departure.
Okay, I'm checking carb heat.
Yep, stay on your downwind.
Yeah.
She'll call the base.
9 Romeo, do you have the regional jet site?
Regional jet insight, 800 Romeo.
9 Romeo, roger. And you can turn base.
Turning base, Cherokee 70800 Romeo. Okay, so forward back to 2000. First not to flaps.
Cross 15, you're holding short of runway 24?
So we need to...
Yep.
Roger, sorry.
Oswego County traffic, Cherokee 7089 Romeo is clear of the connector. This one is for you, Dad, in Oswego County.
Good afternoon, Syracuse approach. Trinidad 5552 Golf 6000, direct you to cover.
Trinidad 5552 Golf, Syracuse, approach Griffith South, emitter 3009er.
3009er.